Hello guys. Hello guys, we're back to my videos and today we're going to play ECS LB. So anyways guys, I'm going to play because this lagging. So anyways guys, if you wanna see more videos on the channel, like this and like and subscribe. So anyways guys, I now know how to play. So I'm going to invisible stairs. So this will be the easiest LB in the world. So that is it's easy. I like easy LB. I like easy LB in the world so far. Only got stage 4. We need to collect stage. So only got the bottom or the top. I guess they have stage. That's 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 5 out of 17. We need to collect 17 stage. So we need to do this now. Okay. Only got stage 6. That is good. So we're going there. Okay. Only got the rainbow. This could be the rainbow LB. That rainbow LB thing. The obstacles I think. So anyways guys. What's that? Is that music in the background? Okay. We have collected our stage. We have to collect our stage I guess. Okay, we need to collect stage 9. Or stage 70. Okay. 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 I know I'm going to choose. Oh, I choose it. Okay, I know I'm going to choose. Okay. Oh, I should choose the thing. Do you want to add easiest hobby favorite? Yes, I know. I know, guys. I got 13 stage. So the pointing, the arrow will gonna pointing at the stage of the stage, I guess. The pointing at the thing. Alright. Okay. Hey, look at this. Why there's smoke there? What's that? Oh, I should just run. What's that? Okay. So, anyways, guys, only got 15. To be the longest hobby. Easiest hobby. I like the hobby in the world. I like copyright, but I need to. I don't like copyright now. So, anyways, guys, I like this game called Royal. So, anyways, guys, I only got the hobbies, I guess. Why there's so many? Why there's so many hobbies? Oh, okay, Goblin will gonna join me. So, anyways, guys, I don't know. Hey, who? Hey, look at me. Hey, just look at me. Yes. Come on. Hello. Okay, so anyways, guys, oh my god. I said there. Come on. You know what? Okay. I'm not. I'm gonna be busy with it.
Wait.
Why?
You have to wait for me.
How? Again. So anyways, guys. So I only got stage 22. Okay. So anyways, guys, my brother just joined me for no reason. But it's so good. Cause I went to the school. Now we gotta just see it, guys. Okay, next we're gonna skip it. I don't want to skip it for now on. Don't skip it for English. Only English only. English or Spanish? I don't know. What's that? What's that, Bluey? Hey, oh no. What's, I don't know. What's that? Hey, what's that? Is that my... Why? Hey? Why? Oh. God, stage, I guess. So anyways, guys. Okay. Okay, that is good. Oh. Easy. Why? How? Salty. Okay, we need to go. Why?
Wait.
Okay. Also, guys. Oh, wait. Okay. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to beat this game. Stop! Come on. Oh, come on. I need to do this, okay? So, anyways, guys, my brother just joined me. No reason. But I need to just beat this game. I'm not. What? Okay.
Oh my god, that girl has 0 IQ.
IQ? Zero IQ, huh?
This is stupid enough that she could let me
Yes.
walk over.
Yes, I know. So anyways guys, we only got 35 out of 36 out of 70. So we need to beat this game. This could be the long hobby. Okay, 38. Okay, no, 15. Okay, okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, we should do this. Oh my god. Oh, we should jump. We should jump. We should jump. Only got 41. Only got 41 out of 40. That is 90, 40, 90, 40, I guess. This could be 90, 40, I don't know. So, only got 33. Okay. Okay. I like the music in the background, guys. I like it. I like copycat. Let's go with copycat because I am a copycat. Because I am cooler than the easiest game. This could be the easy mode and hard mode. I don't like hard mode, only easy. Not hard mode, only easy, okay? Not impossible. So this is good. What I just say. I'm gonna go here. Okay. Come on, let's do this game. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh! Why? Why? Oh, I got 50, I guess. Come on, we should beat this game. Okay, okay. So, only got 51. Come on, 52. Yes! I'm gonna beat this game. Come on, oh, goblin. Okay, let's go. 53. Come on, we should do this. We should able to do this. Come on, what are you doing? Come on, we should be able to do this. Come on, 54. Why? I will just wait for you. Okay, guys. I'm going to just go. We should go for it. Only got 55. 56. Yes. We need to able to do this. Come on. 57. What? What did I just do? What the heck? What is wrong with this game? Okay, I only got 58. Come on. Come on. Okay, 51. 59. Come on, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness, 60. 60. Oh. 1. Oh my goodness, 61. We should be able to do this. We collect the 70. What's that in obby? Oh my goodness, it will take a very long time. Okay, we should do this. Okay, guys, so anyways, guys, I have a question for you guys. I like this game for a while. Do you like my game? Do you like my videos, guys? Let me know in the comments, guys, okay? Okay. So, anyways. Okay. Bro. What the heck? What the heck? It's gonna be the long obby. Okay. Bro, what the heck? Why does the game look long? This game is so long, eh? Okay. So, we're going to this. Go for it. We need to go for it. Okay. We need to go. Okay. Only 67. Okay. That is good, guys. That is good. I should. Okay. Oh, hold on. Wait, let's see. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Come on, I only got 60. Only got 69. Oh my god, stop. Always lagging for me. Come on, I need to beat this game. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh my goodness. Let's go, guys. I'll choose this one. So, anyways, guys, that is good. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm not going to just choose this random thing. So, anyways, guys, if you want to see more videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So, anyways, guys, I'm not going to end up there. So, anyways, guys,